Hey guys, it's Nick for WuQue, and today we're going to be doing a couple of unboxings from KSCuber here on YouTube and from speedcube.com.au. Let's get into it. So this is going to be a really quick unboxing, one take, one edit, because I'm really tired and it's pretty late. So I've waited all day to unbox these. They've been sitting on my bench and I really wanted to get into them. We're going to get into the one from KSCuber. He's actually sent me a couple of cubes already. Alright, let's see what he sent. I don't even remember what he sent. Oh, he sent me a WuQue Honglong. And that looks like a floppy. And another floppy. Yes, sweet. Well, actually turns really well. I've got. I wasn't even in frame. Sorry. I've already got one of these, which I ordered a while ago. But this actually turns a lot better than what my one did. So that's awesome. So yeah, I requested a couple of cubes I can give to my boy. He's turning 3 in January, so we'll definitely like that. We'll get this other floppy cube out as well. Yes, is this a, yep, so this is a super floppy cube. So it's a 1x3x3. I'll get into this. So this is a WuQue Honglong 7x7. This will be my first 7x7. So let's just get straight into first sounds, I guess. Actually doesn't feel too bad. Or it's I don't know, it's good, it's nice. I actually don't know if I need to loosen it or if I need to tighten it. It's very fast, very fast. It just feels like it's catching a lot. Primary internals with caps. It definitely feels a lot stiffer in the centers compared to the outers. I don't know, I'm definitely gonna have fun sort of setting this up, I think. I don't even know if I was in frame then. Sorry guys. That. Get rid of that. So here we've got a WuQue Mini M and a Hays7 M. So I'll quickly get my other 4x4 out here. So this is my KSCuber WuQue stickerless WuQue M, which I've put my logo on it and put angstrom lubes into it and everything. I'm just going to quickly do this one first because I'm way more excited to get into that one. Ooh. Let's just quickly do the size. Can you see the size there is there? The shades are exactly the same. A bit of lube on the outside. Gonna have to put my logo on it, make sure it fits. Let's get into first hand. End hand. The size actually feels a lot more comfortable. It Definitely in the 3x3 stage. It basically feels almost like 3x3. I'll get my GTS2, check the size. Wow, that's quite close actually. The size is very similar. It definitely is a lot drier and we definitely need to be lubed and set up. Yeah, it's very tight. Very promising though. That's awesome. Away. And we'll get into the main attraction for today, the Hays7. So I'm going to do a proper review on all of these, on the Mini, on the Yushin, and on this as well. This is just more of a quick look at the puzzles and first turns. Oh, this box is awesome. Hays card, pamphlet, magnets, and washers. Alright, let's get into this. I'll put this up. Put this down here as well. Ooh. That red reminds me of the new WuQue red shades. That sort of really dark, reddy colour. Just grab this one for a second. It definitely feels a little lighter. It is definitely smaller as well. So let's just get into it. So this is definitely going to be probably my main, unless for some weird reason I can't get this to feel like this one. But oh wow, that's so good. That's so good. That's so cool. It has a really nice sort of crunchy feel when it goes when you're turning. The outer magnets aren't really there. There's definitely a bump, but there's no real click. They're definitely noticeable. They actually feel a little weaker, if not the same as them. It's very fast, very fast. Ooh. I really like how these newer cubes, especially like it came out with the Shadow M. These newer cubes they're higher ordered and magnetized from the factory. They're really, really good for these sort of newer beginner solvers who are just recently getting into cubing, where they don't really need that long process of breaking in, which I really like, especially for someone like me who doesn't really have a lot of experience of going to comps and testing out all these other cubes. Knowing that I'm pretty much going to straight up buy a good cube is nice to sort of know. So at the moment, this is definitely going to be my main. I do want to re-lube this. I don't even know if I've been saying all this. No, this definitely feels nice. Awesome. So yeah, those are the puzzles that I've got today. See ya.